make sure you won't get noisy.
Yes, Papa.
Hey guys!
SCP-999, a playful, dog-like blob orange slime weighing 54 kg. Its shape-shifting body can stretch and flatten
good here.
at will.
I could do this all day.
It joyfully hugs and nuzzles, emitting delightful scents like chocolate or roses. Though harmless,
that's apples,
it
mate.
apologizes if
Let's
it
do this
accidentally
Texas
hurts
style.
someone.
Tickle monster.
Each and every one of you is sent over to your mama in a big
Target enemy warship. Fire on running. Half ahead.
Tickle monster.
Waste them.
The target has been locked.
I'm gonna make a necklace out of you.
Open missile silo. Prepare for launch.
Nobody's gonna miss you, you bloody whack job.
I'm seeing a flash on the radar. The enemy ship has been destroyed.
Hell, that was easy.
Ready to fire.
SCP-999 shows special care for unhappy, potentially alien. When approached, it joyfully hugs and nuzzles, emitting delightful scents.
Work those days.
Fire on ready. Very good. Northbound in descending courses. Ahead 15 knots.
Gotcha. Metal detective.
Prepared. Enemy vessel has been destroyed.
Come with me. I made this friend Stewie made some cake hang out with.
So this is talk about what the action for the scene that we started. And maybe and we'll do
Yeah. Get on the capture! Help me capture this thing!
Sir, yes, sir.
Download the app now. It's available for Play Store and other game stores. And also link in the description below and you can download the game.
Stay tuned for dark action of the Blue Sniper.
it.
Right turn, take course 120. Right order.
Enemy missile has been destroyed.
All right ships are flooding fast. Engage 2-0. Turn left, 30 degrees. Noise ready. Radar found them just heading towards us. Initiating damage control. Missile ready. Radar found them just heading towards us. Direct hit. Enemy warships destroyed. Good work, team.